All right, so here I'm going to watch with you a robot showing you something I previously did, um, making a number typing speed test. Now, the robot is going to type a really long form, which I should explain because I didn't type this. I generate shapes using a sort of single-threaded object, just watching a series of clicks that define a shape. Now, in Common Lisp, when you define a class and compile your class definition and you make a few instances of it, and then you work with those a while, so they're no longer the base class, in order to get a Lisp form that generates the current instance of a class that you want. One way to do it is writing a method for a generic called makeLoadForm. And so my makeLoadForm generates these really verbose shape descriptions. They're verbose, and I couldn't just use the built-in makeLoadForm saving slots because I used composition of other complicated classes to make these shapes. And so never use composition. Don't believe the popular wisdom there. But what's happening? So we've generated everything. There are just some nils sitting there because we don't have numbers or speeds yet. I accidentally put one of my shapes on top of the lovely text that you could be looking at. I think we're about... Oh, I see. I'm just adding... I'm adding the number generating. So I store the number, the time, the cycles before and after the number is entered in a property list, just so I can use get. All right, and you can see, oh yeah, so enter is my skip key. Like if you got called away and you didn't want it to affect your time, you could hit enter to get a new number. And so now it's watching me hitting enter, and yeah, you can see I'm typing away here. Because my VT100 emulator is in the foreground here, every time enter gets hit, it's skipped a number. All right, thank you.